how to buy 10 properties in 3 years using £50,000. That's what I'm going to share in this video. In fact, not just one way, but 3 different ways of doing that. Now, by the way, you might be thinking, oh, that's got to be the BRRR strategy. And yes, that's one of the ways. There are 2 other ways you can do it as well. So watch very carefully, because if you want to build a property portfolio over the next 3 years, this is the quickest way for you to do it. By the way, I'd really appreciate if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon to get notified anytime we bring a new video out. So what do I know? Well, my name's Simon Zutshi. I've been investing in property myself for 30 years and helping people like you how to become a more successful investor for the last 22 years. I'm the founder of the Property Investors Network, the original, first, largest and longest running network for property investors in the UK. I'm the author of Property Magic, the Amazon #1 property bestseller. And I've helped thousands of people like you quickly replace their income much quicker than I did it. It took me 8 years because I was doing it on my own, learning through trial and terror. But by watching our videos, by educating some of us, we can speed up that process for you. And I think you need to really think about this before you start your investing. Why do you want to invest in property? And I said the title of this video is how to get 10 properties in 3 years using £50,000. But in reality, you might not need 10 properties. If you buy the right kind of investment property, actually you might only need 5 or 6. I'm doing this general video, but take from it what's going to work for you. You might have 50,000, less than 50,000, more than 50,000. Watch very carefully, listen carefully, and take the principles, because this stuff works. So first of all, let's talk about the first way that you can acquire 10 properties in 3 years with £50,000. A lot of people might think, well, if I'm going to buy a property, I need the deposit, I've got extra costs and things. 10 properties might be more like £500,000 to £1 million. And I guess it depends where in the country you're buying. Obviously, there are different values and prices. In the UK, the average property price currently is just under £300,000. So it might well be that where you're investing, where you live, may not be the best place to live. You might need to go slightly further afield to find slightly cheaper properties. But let's work with this £50,000 number. Now, when you're buying property, you've got to put your deposit money in. And there are 2 ways for you to add value and be able to refinance that money quickly. The first way is obviously to work with what we call motivated sellers. Now, most sellers are not truly motivated. Only 5% of sellers might be truly motivated, where they're prepared to sell the property at a discount off the true value or with flexibility on the terms. So some things you could do, for example, you could find someone who's happy to do an exchange of contract. You put down just 10 or even 5% deposit, so you're not putting down the normal 25%. You then do the work on the property to add value to that property. And then when you come to complete the purchase, if you use bridging finance or someone like Crowd Property and Full Declaration, that's one of my businesses, those advanced lenders will recognize the value of the property and may give you a mortgage based on the value rather than the purchase price. So by exchanging with a small deposit, doing the work, and then completing the purchase and getting a mortgage based on the value rather than purchase, you put a lot less money in. So your deposit goes much further. And then wait another 6 months, you can then refinance and take out all the original cash you put in. So that's one way of doing it, where you're using a slightly advanced strategy. Now, will every seller give you an exchange delay completion? Probably not. Again, we're working with these motivated sellers. Sometimes we could buy a property with such a discount that 6 months later, we can refinance up to the true value and get all of our money out. So using this, what I call momentum investing, where you're recycling your deposit really quickly, will help you quickly build up your portfolio. Now, it might be you only do 1 or 2 properties in the first year. Then the second year, you might do maybe 3 properties. And when you get the hang of this, you might do 5 properties. And a key here to quickly grow your portfolio is to recognize you don't want to do properties in series. We might do 1, then another, then another. Once you've got a bit track record, you actually have a number of properties running in parallel at the same time. That's how you get to 10 properties in just 3 years. Now, the other method is similar to that, but actually once you've done 1 or 2 properties using your money, suddenly the game will change for you, because you have some track record. You've got some proof, some credibility that you obviously know what you're doing. And that is the best time to work with other people's money. Now, there will be people that you already know, family, friends, work colleagues, who might have money in the bank doing absolutely nothing for them. And you might think, why on earth would they lend money to you? Well, it's because you can help them to make money. And they might want to help you because they know you, like you, and trust you. But ultimately, if you can make them money, they might be very keen to work with you. And once you've done 1 or 2 projects, you've proven the concept. You've shown you know what you're doing. And obviously, you do need to know what you're doing when using other people's money. But the point is, they're going to have far more confidence in you because they understand that you've gone through the process, you've made it work. Now, here's a little trick that might help you accelerate your journey. If someone lends you money for a property that you're going to develop, you might turn a normal house into an HMO or service accommodation unit, whatever. There's a few question marks. Well, how much is it going to cost? How long is it going to take? Am I actually going to get the rent that I want, etc.? But instead of borrowing money on the new projects, how about showing them the existing properties where you're probably going to have up to 75% loan to value borrowing, and actually maybe the trapped 25% equity is what you can access. You might have 1 or 2 properties you've done in your first year. You've recycled all your money, you're using it on the next project, but actually you've got this trapped equity. And so by saying to someone, how would you like to lend me some money secured against this particular property, which is already developed, it's already generating cash flow, and there's far less risk. There's no development risk. They can see the money coming out of it. They can see how you can afford to pay interest to them. And so borrowing secured against that property is actually far less risky than the new one you're looking to buy. So that actually is a great way of using other people's money, which is the second way of getting to this 10 properties in 3 years using only £50,000 of your own money. And then the third way of doing this is, rather than actually buying the property, how about doing purchase lease options? So I've done other videos on this YouTube channel all about options. And by the way, I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to make sure you're notified anytime a new video comes in. I want to do it right now. But an option is where you have the right to buy a property in the future. So we agree to buy it now. And by the way, we might not try and negotiate a discount. We might offer the full market price now, which is one of the reasons a seller might agree to it, because in the market right now, most people are accepting if they want to sell a property, they've got to sell it below market value because we're in this buyer's market. But you can actually offer the full market price as long as they're prepared to wait a few years to get the money. So it only works for sellers who want to get rid of a property, they don't want the hassle anymore, but they don't need the cash. When they sell it, they're just going to put the money in the bank. So again, that doesn't apply to every seller. But when you find sellers in the right circumstances, this can work incredibly well for you and also for them. So you agree a certain price now, you take the property on, you pay them a monthly lease fee, you take on all the responsibility as if you own the property, but you haven't had to put a big 25% mortgage in. You haven't had to get a mortgage right now. There might be some costs. We do things properly through solicitors. There might be legal costs, tiny cosmetic refurb, etc. Maybe £5,000, £10,000 per property on average. But actually, there are some properties where you're literally paying the legals and that's all you have to do because the property is ready to go. So let's say you're 50,000. You might say 5,000 average is the cost of doing an option. Thus, with £50,000, you could do 10 options on 10 properties. Now that starts giving you cash flow straight away on those properties. It's a much quicker transaction than a purchase that might take 3 or 4 months to acquire that property. And the people who options work for really well are landlords, retiring landlords who don't want the property anymore. They want to get rid of the hassle. They don't necessarily need the money. And 1 or 2 of their properties they might be happy to sell on an option. So that can work incredibly well. And those landlords who are retiring and selling up, often they've not raised the rent as much as they could. They've not kept the property in as top condition as they could. And you do a very light cosmetic refurb, you could raise the rents and you're increasing the value. And then when you come to buy that property in 3 to 5 years' time, because you've raised the rents and raised the value, again, you can potentially buy that property based on the value instead of the purchase price. And if you've had enough capital growth, quite a few of my students this year have completed on properties where they bought the property, and because they've had really good capital growth, because they've added value and because the market's generally gone up over the option period, they've been able to get a mortgage which is higher than the purchase price, which means they get not only the money to buy the property, plus all their closing costs like stamp duty, they sometimes get money out of the deal as well. Now, obviously, you need to understand how to do lease options correctly. I've got lots of free videos on here, and very soon I'm going to have a new book all about how to do this as well. But in the meantime, I just wanted to share this philosophy with you because you can absolutely build a portfolio using just 50,000. In fact, you could do it with less than 50,000, but if you have some money to work with and start with, it's definitely easier. So I do hope you've gained massive value from this. I hope it's inspired you. I hope it's given you something to think about. And I highly recommend that you get going with your property investing now, right now, because we're in this buyer's market. I believe by the end of 25, beginning of 26, we're going to see the property market go up. It's going to be harder to find great deals. There are always great deals available if you know what you're doing. But when we're in a buyer's market, there's definitely more opportunities. So there comes a point where you need to stop watching YouTube videos, stop educating yourself, actually get out there and take action. I say this on all my videos, but a lot of people, they think they're making progress. They're just watching YouTube videos, and that's great. But there comes a point where you actually need to take action, get out there and do it. And I know that can be really scary, by the way. I completely get that. But you know what? A lot of fear and scare and concern we have is often just in our head. And when we get out there and take action, we find a lot of things we were worried about, they not really problems. And especially if you have people around you who can help you, who can guide you, who can advise you. So when you hit a problem, rather than getting stuck and giving up, you can speak to someone who's been there before, who's gone through what you're going through, and give you one or two quick solutions to help you move on. That's why having a coach, a property mentor, is a really good idea. Now be very careful who you pick as your mentor. Not all mentors are the same, not all trainers are the same. Do your due diligence, do your research. And if you want help with that, you can obviously speak to our team and get a consultation call where my team will look at where are you now, where do you want to get to, what's the quickest way for you to get there to minimize the risks and maximize your return. Now, we used to charge for these consultation calls. Right now, we're doing a test where actually, if you qualify, you can get one completely free of charge. We encourage you to take our strategy profile test first of all, which is completely free as well. And we'll help you identify which strategies should be best for you based on the resources you have available to you, time, money, etc. And that can save you a huge amount of time. And put that in conjunction with this call, I think it's going to really help you move forward. So if you click on the link below this video, you should go to another short video telling you how you can actually apply for one of those complimentary strategy calls. I will say this though, we have a limited team available to give them to you. If you register for one, don't turn up, we're never going to give you the opportunity again. So just because you don't have to pay anything, please don't make the mistake of not valuing it. It's going to be a high value call for you. And if appropriate at the end, my team will suggest how we can help you achieve all the goals you want to achieve. So I highly recommend you book that call, take action right now, click on the link below. And until the next video, I encourage you to invest with knowledge, invest with skill.